C'est pas de la grenouille ça?
Then you roll it like this spin roll.
This one is the main temple, the most original building still here.
But over 80%.
Tiene más por se cae.
Con la presión de... Ouais. Ouais. Oh yeah. Golden Bridge. Golden Bridge. Oh, it looks like a dragon. Oh, dragon.
Oh yeah. Dragon, not golden.
Because we're gonna go to the other side.
Oh, okay. So we are in the old town now. Just drop off by the taxi from the hotel.
Gonna try this.
Lot of restaurant here. Lot of restaurant. Lot of westerner. Yeah. So many different kind of shops. All different, right? Oh, this is a lantern boat, I guess. So many lantern boat. Lantern boat at night. Bye. And they have second floor, ground floor, second floor, indoor, outdoor. Very big. Spacious here. This is the outdoor. Yeah, beautiful. It's very famous here. People keep coming in when we eat here. Yeah.
And how about the coriander?
Yeah.
Me. And little bit the coriander also. The onion.
So many.
Yeah. Vietnamese style. And one slice of the grilled fish ha.
Okay.
Two okay luôn. And then you roll it like the spin roll. And last one, you dip it in the sweet and sour sauce. Dip it in your.
Okay.
You hold this. Yeah, exactly.
How about the noodle?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Noodle also.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
I'm so
okay,
sorry.
okay.
Later. I'm so sorry. It's like, I mean, it's the when I show for the get it the right way I eat don't have like noodle.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
On the bridge, going to the other side. Hoi An. We should take one here, Hoi An. nightlife, bar, club, dancing, live music. So nice here. So loud the music. Like a free floor, I guess. Good morning, Vietnam. Ah, it's only 6:15, stuff like that. It's already so bright, the sky. Oh, today's a sunny day. Bravo, mama. Bravo. Morning, guys. Just wake up at my alarm. So loud, my alarm. Good morning.
Why does the girl and why does the boy like remember all the time? It's so funny, yeah. Because I told everyone Vietnamese language like knowledge. Yeah, like Chinese. That's why when you learn Chinese,
See the first one now.
long summer and hot and hot and hot.
Wow. This is called BCD. The biggest in here, I guess. Centralized.
Take your time to photo, everyone. And then from here, I will have one question for you. If you have right answer, I give you the ball. Go back. No, you have to sweep. Okay, it's a very easy question. So this one is the main temple, the most original building still here. Before, only the king allowed to be inside to do ceremony. Everyone else have to be outside. So nowadays we can be the king. So everyone can visit inside. But now we will look around here first before we go inside the temple. You will understand about the architecture of this area. You know that nowadays the architecture of this one. Oh, the cloud on the top is very beautiful. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Anybody else?
Do you want to take a photo?
Yeah.
So now we can.
Yeah.
He put the name for the baby. Very happy. Sorry to say that, but I know when people got the name sheep. Because I think the name, the ugly ones will bring their beautiful life later. So something like that. But my grandmother, no. My grandmother has so many babies, she cannot remember them. So she put the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My father number 8. It's like a nickname, not really a nickname, but a nickname to call like, hey, where's number 1?
Now we are doing the what's this? Town tour in Asian town.
On the door eyes. It's not just for decoration. It's also represent for the god of door, god of house. It prevent all the bad atmosphere or the evil spirit away from the house. Keep the family, keep the house in
Farm they show agricultural product. Seal, cinnamon, rice, pepper, so on. Therefore, these are the two good. The basket near the river for importing the product, and the fruit for selling. And you know the house near the river. But over 80%.
Quieren más, pues se cae.
Con la presión del
Que
agua, sí.
la avaricia rompe el saco.
Sí.
Con esta presión del agua consigue eliminar.
Consigue eliminar,
Todo.
vaciar todo.
Todo.
Te acaba y pierdes todo.
Pierdes
todo.
todo. Por querer más.
Yeah. Another name of the cup is greedy cup. Greedy cup. Yeah, not too much. Everything's in moderation. And you know, only the sixth generation, he know how the cup work, and he make by handmade. Yeah, and it has a good message, and he want to share it to everyone around the world. So he remade the cup and for selling.
Quan Công啊 Cantonese Assembly Hall， 廣東人嘅同鄉會同埋拜神嘅地方。有一條龍啦，呈項宮啊，有福有壽，合理。
The image of Japanese street was print on 20,000 Vietnam đồng.